Welcome back. I'm recording tonight. It is now September 4th, Friday. Today's Friday. Yeah, today's Friday. The Friday before Labor Day. My birthday is coming up in like 3 weeks or some crap like that. But that's not why you guys are here. So, what you guys are here for is the update on the coffee table. Coffee table. I'm not doing a coffee table. I'm doing a domino table. So I did the glue up of the domino table. Let me bring you guys around with me so you guys can see it. Did the glue up of the panel. I saved you that beautiful Beantown footage, as the old Bush commercials used to go. And maybe like this. I think like this works. So I'm going to swap the camera so you guys can see what I'm looking at, and I'm going to explain. So this is the top. It's a 32-inch square. I've glued it on the mating edges using my biscuit jointer. Sorry for the column there. Those are the 4 plugs from where it was a door jamb. I cut the plugs using a 1/2-inch plug cutter that I have for my drill press. Here comes the damn airplane. Let me make this real quick. Real quick. So I filled in the holes, waiting for it to cure. I think the glue is pretty much cured. It's close to 10 o'clock tonight already. So the next step will be sanding it. I have decided to use a 3-inch hole saw, about maybe 4 inches up and 4 inches in on all 4. I'm going to use the cup of the table of the hole saw to cut the circle of the indentation for the cup holders, and then I'm going to route out the pieces with my router and so forth. So far, I gave it a quarter round. I went over with a quarter round bit on my router. It looks okay as it is, but I'm gonna make it pretty. So I wanted to have a design like right here in the middle. My wife is Puerto Rican and I'm Cuban, so since this is a mostly Latino, Hispanic type culture that plays dominoes, I have some African American friends that play and some white Caucasian friends that do play, but not as much as my Hispanic brethren. So I'm thinking about doing a Cuban and Puerto Rican flag crisscross with the American flag in the center, like we are 3 nations coming into one, basically. The legs of the table are from a store-bought table. Let me move the top over. I want to do this in the daytime. But yeah, the aprons, the legs have to be cleaned up. And then what I'm going to do is let me go on this side so you can see it. Excuse the column again. But I'm going to give it a light sand and paint the legs and the apron a white or a light color. This is faux stain. The legs are wood, but the aprons are veneer over MDF or particle board. So I'm going to go ahead and lightly sand the veneer, not to go too deep with it, by hand, down to maybe 220, 320. And then I'm going to paint it a flat white. And then the oak, which is what I think this is, because it smells like oak, it looks like oak, it's red like oak. It could be 60-year-old pine that has oxidized, but when you take the paint off, it's not yellow, it's a nice rich redwood, and it doesn't smell like cedar. So I think the door jambs in the house are oak. So I'm going to go ahead and not stain it, because you don't do that to oak. But what I am going to do is I'm going to put the designs over the holes that I filled in with a Minwax paint and stain ready wood filler. So hopefully as soon as I get this done, I'll bring you guys along for the next update. Thank you for watching. Sorry for the delays and updates. It's been raining down here like cats and dogs. If you live in Florida, you know what I'm talking about. You can hear the fresh batch of frogs croaking in the background. And now they stop. Anywho, thank you guys for watching so far. With the build process, I'll be do this. Go step back a little so I don't diffuse into the camera and to the light so much. But thank you for watching Leo Builds It. I do appreciate you guys for watching so far. Please comment, like, and subscribe.